Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Canada Immigration February 2026 full update, new IRCC rules, express entry and PR news. February 2026 brought several major Canada immigration updates, including new express entry categories, provincial nominee program draws, processing changes, and continued focus on targeted immigration selection. In today's video, we'll cover the biggest Canada immigration updates from 1st February to 28th February 2026. Canada announces new express entry categories for 2026. One of the biggest immigration updates in February 2026 was the announcement of updated express entry categories. Canada continued prioritizing candidates in occupations facing labor shortages. Priority categories included healthcare, education, skilled trades, STEM occupations, agriculture, and French-speaking candidates. This confirmed Canada's continued focus on category-based immigration selection. Express entry draws continued during February. IRCC also continued issuing invitations to apply through express entry during February 2026. Canada maintained targeted selection strategies focusing on provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based draws. This means Canada continues moving away from large, all-program draws and focusing more on labor market needs. Provincial nominee programs continued growing. Several provinces also continued targeted immigration selection during February 2026. Provincial programs focused heavily on healthcare workers, skilled trades, entrepreneurs, and workers already employed locally. Provincial immigration remained one of the strongest pathways to Canadian permanent residence. For many applicants, provincial nominee programs may now provide better opportunities than regular express entry selection. Canada continued prioritizing in Canada applicants. Another major trend during February 2026 was Canada's continued focus on applicants already inside the country. Temporary foreign workers and candidates with Canadian work experience continued benefiting from targeted immigration pathways. Canada also continued prioritizing Canadian experience class candidates, provincial nominees, and workers already contributing to the Canadian labor market. This means Canadian work experience remains extremely valuable for PR applicants. Processing times continued changing. IRCC also updated immigration processing timelines during February 2026. Some immigration categories improved slightly, while others continued experiencing delays because of high application inventories. Applicants were advised to apply early, monitor expiry dates, and submit complete applications. Canada continued supporting rural and regional immigration. Canada also continued focusing on immigration to rural and smaller communities. Regional immigration pathways continued helping employers address labor shortages outside major cities. This could create important opportunities for workers willing to settle outside Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. Express entry competition remained high. The express entry pool remained competitive throughout February 2026. Higher CRS scores continued becoming more common, especially among provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based candidates. Applicants may need stronger language scores, Canadian work experience, or provincial nominations to improve their chances. Canada continued moving toward targeted immigration. One major trend in 2026 continued becoming very clear. Canada is moving toward more targeted immigration selection. Priority continued going to workers already inside Canada, candidates in high-demand occupations, French-speaking applicants, and workers willing to live outside major cities. This means immigration selection is becoming more focused on labor shortages and economic needs. What applicants should focus on? If you are planning Canada PR in 2026, experts recommend improving language scores, gaining skilled work experience, exploring provincial nominee programs, and staying updated on category-based draws. Because Canada's immigration system continues changing quickly. If you found this update useful, like the video, Subscribe to Canada Immigration Global and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.